So good morning, dear all. Shall we start the class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning all. 24 students have joined. So we can start the class, and I will allow whoever is taking admission, whoever will join. So let me share my screen. So is it visible now? What is there on the screen?
Lecture 5.
Yeah, lecture 5. That means it is visible. So yesterday we have done data transfer instructions. So what was data transfer instructions doing? Data transfer instruction was transferring data from source to destination. And source can be transferred from register to register, or it can be transferred from memory to register, or it can be transferred from register to memory. The data which was transferred at that place, the data is not changed, but where the data is transferred, at that place the data will be changed. So with this we will continue with further instructions. Yesterday there were 2 instructions remaining from data transfer instructions. So is it visible now? Slide is visible. What is there on PPT?
Yes, ma'am. Data transfer instructions in 8-bit port address.
Yes, good. Yeah. So yesterday 2 instructions were remaining from data transfer instructions. They are little bit of different nature, so that's why I kept these 2 instructions yesterday. Left this instruction with, and today we will see this instruction. Now first instruction is in and then 8-bit address. So you know that 8085 is having 16-bit address. Then how come here 8-bit address? Why this in instruction is having 8-bit address? It is because in and out these instructions. Dear students, please mute your mics. Dear students, I am getting noises from your house. Unnecessarily I will come to know what breakfast you're doing. Your mother may be asking you, do this, eat this, eat that. So better you keep your mic mute. So we were talking about in instruction, only in and out instruction. These are the two instructions where your address is 8-bit address, because this 8-bit address is address of the port. And as I have told you that 8085 is not having its internal ports or internal input output devices. All the input output devices etc we connect from externally to 8085. So if we are connecting these devices externally, we have to write some initialization instructions, because these particular external devices, to identify them that they are connected with 8085, they are also having certain addresses. And these external devices, whatever ports we connect, they are having 8-bit address, and hence this address is 8-bit, because this address is not corresponding to the address from 8085 memory location. It is the address of the port which is externally connected to 8085. That's why only this instruction, in instruction and out instruction, is having 8-bit address. So what this instruction do? This instruction is doing this IN, specifically input. What is it inputting? Whatever is available on input port, that port should be 8-bit port. So whatever is available on input port will come into accumulator with this instruction. If we do in, and if we write 80 hex, in 80 hex, then 80 hex is the address of the port. Wherever it is connected, whichever is the device which is connected to 8085 is having address 80, then whatever is available on that particular port 80 will come into accumulator. Understood? So if your 80, wherever is the 80 port, whichever is the port that is having address 80 hex, if it is containing the data B3, then B3 will come into accumulator. Understood? Anybody can answer now? Sakshi, Ananya, are you there?
Sorry, ma'am, can you repeat your question, please? Yes, ma'am,
Yeah.
but I don't. There is network problem, so I
Okay. Anybody? Ananya, anybody?
don't hear your question.
Ankush is here. Ankush Kumar. Have you heard me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is so much noise in your voice. So,
From where it is coming, noise? Is it from my side?
no, ma'am, there is so many noise barriers when you are speaking, so we are unable to understand what you are speaking.
No, so what is the disturbance is from my side or disturbance is from your side? Where is the disturbance?
Ma'am, maybe
Let me do one thing. Let me switch off my fan, then we'll see.
network issue. Ma'am, maybe it is the network issue.
Now is it clear? Now my voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear now? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, we were talking about in instruction. This is also data transfer instruction, from where the data is coming into accumulator. The data is coming from the port, and that port is not available inside the 8085, because we have already seen that 8085 microprocessor is not having any input output devices or any memory devices inside it. It is having only instruction set. So where are these devices available? These devices are externally connected to 8085, and we should know that which is the device which is for which we have to refer. So each and every device should have the address. Suppose if I am connecting two input devices, then if I want to refer only one out of that, then I should that both the input devices should have addresses. Why? Because unless until they have address, we cannot refer which device we want to refer. So each device which we connect to 8085, interface to 8085 externally, should have address. And that address, if it is input output device, if it is input output port, we call that address can be 8-bit address. So though 8085 microprocessor is working with 16-bit address, these devices, input output devices, can have 8-bit address, and hence this particular instruction is having 8-bit address. Apart from in and out, there is no instruction or no place where we use 8-bit address. These are the only two instructions, in and out, where we use 8-bit address. So this 8-bit address corresponds to the port which is connected externally to 8085. Now, with this particular instruction, what it does, whatever is the data at 8-bit port which is having address 80 hex will come into accumulator. So if my 80 hex is containing B3 or whatever may be the data, that data will come into, after execution of in 80 hex, the data will come into accumulator. Understood? Anybody? Can you answer? Anybody can answer? Vinay, Garima? Garima, Sakshi, Ananya? Are you all listening or not?